There's a moment every solo traveler knows, that first step on a new ship. You're excited, you're curious, and somewhere inside you're wondering, how long will it take before this place feels like yours? Virgin Voyages makes that moment easier than you think. My name is Dr. Dan, and this channel is for travelers who want a calmer, more cinematic way to experience Virgin Voyages. A space where the focus is never on me, but on what you can feel, notice, and experience as a solo sailor. Once you board, you don't need to take in the whole ship at once. There's time. I suggest you head straight to your cabin. Your luggage will already be there. And there's something grounding about stepping into your space for that first time. Walk into the room.
Ahoy, sailors.
Look around. Let yourself arrive. After you get situated in your room, turn on the cabin TV and watch the safety video. It's quirky, it's quick, it's simple, and it gets one more thing off your mind. Then open the app and make any last-minute dinner reservations. You don't need to plan your whole week. Just secure the meals that you haven't and you're excited about. After that, go to your muster station. It's easy, it's fast, and once it's done, you're free. And that's when you begin exploring the ship at your own pace, calm, unhurried, and fully settled. And if you're sailing solo, this is a great moment to attend the first solo sailor meetup. It usually takes place not long after muster, and it's one of the easiest, most natural ways to meet people right at the start of your voyage. You don't need to memorize the ship. You don't need to study the deck plans. You don't need to know every shortcut. But just remember this, the energy of the ship lives in the middle decks. The quiet lives in the edges. And the peace and the serenity of the ocean is always just a few steps away. Once you understand that rhythm, the ship becomes easy to navigate. If you're not sure where to begin, start with the dock. It's calm, it's open, it's the perfect place to settle in and let your shoulders drop. Order a drink, find a seat, and let the ship move around you. This is your moment to arrive. The Virgin Voyages app is helpful, but it doesn't need to run your day. Use it to book dining. Use it to check your schedule. Use it to see what's happening around the ship. But don't let it pull you out of the moment. You don't need to plan every hour. You don't need to chase every moment. You don't need to fill your schedule. Leave spaces for the unexpected. That's where I find the best moments happen. If you ever feel unsure about where to go, follow the light. The ship's design guides you naturally. Bright spaces lead to energy. Soft spaces lead to calm. Walk slowly. Look around. Let your curiosity guide you. You don't need to be trying to get somewhere fast. You're just trying to enjoy the journey. One of the best parts of cruising solo is choosing your own flow. If you want to be around people, then sit at the bar, any bar. If you want quiet, find a corner at the dock or a seat by the windows in the grounds club. If you want a mix of both, on the rocks is perfect. You can be part of the room without feeling like you're the center of it. You don't have to avoid people. to avoid crowds. Walk the outer decks. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Visit the lounges before the evening rush. And remember, quiet isn't something you escape to, it's something you choose. Quiet is everywhere on this ship, if you know where to look. The hammock on your balcony, the early morning deck, the sun club, the dock house before lunch. These are places where you can breathe, where you can think, and you can let the day unfold naturally. And when you're ready for connection, it's just as easy. The solo sailor meetups, on the rocks in the evening, sip lounge before dinner, the dock house at sunset. You don't have to force anything. You don't have to perform. You don't have to be anyone but yourself. Connections happen naturally when you're relaxed enough to let it. Navigating Virgin Voyages isn't about knowing where everything is. It's about knowing where you are and what you need at the moment. Quiet or connection, energy or calm, solitude or company. The ship adapts to you. If you're a solo traveler, especially in your 40s, 50s, or 60s, and you want to experience Virgin Voyages in a way that feels calm, confident, and meaningful, you're in the right place. You're welcome to subscribe so you'll know when the next journey begins. Until then, move at your own pace, follow your own rhythm, and let the ship become yours. Welcome aboard.